We're back here at the NRA National Firearms Museum here at NRA headquarters. I'm with Logan Metesh. And Logan, okay, we had some, you guys always just bring out the best stuff, and I love you all for that.
We aim to please, Jerry.
But you're killing me now. You said, if you liked what you just saw, wait till you see this. And you're really killing me now. You bring out a very, this is number 3, this is number 5, this is like,
I know, right?
What is going on? You're killing me now, Logan. Tell me.
Okay, well, first of all, generally speaking, we have a safe job here at the museum. There's very little danger here. But I've been bitten by a snake, and I fear you're in close proximity to being bitten as well.
Oh boy.
Because these are 3 Colt Python revolvers. And there is snake fever gripping the country right now. For those of you who've seen one of the most recent American Rifleman issues, there's a great article about all of the snake revolvers in there from Colt and how the collectability is going through the roof and the prices are skyrocketing. Everyone wants them, whether they want the Python or the Diamondback or the Anaconda. These are the guns to have, and no one can afford them. I know I can't. Maybe we can do joint custody on one, John.
I was going to say.
Yeah. But these are very special. The Colt Python comes out in 1955.
Okay.
And it is designed to compete with what ends up as, in 1957, the Smith & Wesson Model 29. So these both come out in 1955.
Right.
And they are Smith & Wesson and Colt competing against one another. But the Python, I mean, it is regarded, even by Smith & Wesson fans, as one of the best guns out there. It's butter action on these things, and they're just remarkable guns. And if you can get your hands on one, you're pretty lucky. But these 3 are incredibly special.
And why would that be?
This is serial number 2. This is serial number 3. And this is serial number 5.
Wow.
So
I had a feeling it was something like that.
It's pretty impressive.
Yeah, that's really impressive.
United once again since the first time they left the factory in 1955 or so. I said that the guns shipped in 1955 or so because at the time of filming, we weren't exactly certain of the actual shipping dates. Sometimes guns don't ship in numerical order, especially when you're dealing with low serial number guns that might sit around until they become presentations. However, about a year after this was filmed, I had the opportunity to head up to Connecticut and tour the Colt factory and actually get to look inside of some of the archives materials, and one of which was the actual original bound book of Python shipping records. And it indicated that serial numbers 2 and 3 shipped on the same day, September 12th, 1955, and serial number 5 actually shipped a couple days before on September 6th, 1955. Wow. So it really cool.
I'm getting goosebumps now.
I know, it's really neat.
It's crazy. So only here at the NRA National Firearms Museum could you pull something like this off, but how did you pull this off?
Well, this is really cool. This was many years coming. We have had serial number 2 in the collection for a number of years, donated to us. We actually have the original box for serial number 2 as well.
And as we talked off the air earlier, sometimes the box is worth as much as
right.
the thing it's in. So that's good.
Absolutely. Put the box with
Lock
serial
that
number
box
2.
up.
Definitely. So serial number 2 has been with us for a number of years. But then earlier this year, we were able to acquire 1 on loan and 1 donated to us, serial number 3 and serial number 5. Wow. So just a remarkable trifecta of snake guns here.
That is so cool. So tell us a little bit why, you mentioned the action stuff. Why is this such a good revolver?
Well, these guns, when they're produced back in the 50s, it's hand-fitted guns. Firearms manufacturing is still an art form at that point. And so you've got guys who are hand-fitting the side plates to the guns, and they are hand-polishing them, and the bluing just can't be matched today in what they're doing. And
they're gorgeous.
Absolutely. They are cream of the crop guns that you just don't find in today's mass production manufacturing from any company.
And just seeing all 3 of them together there is really, really cool. Okay, so I assume they're all here, so that means they're here at the National Firearms Museum.
That's correct.
So I don't usually I always say you're better at getting it, but if you can get here to see these,
absolutely,
it's really worth it. So
absolutely.
But either way, see them here or online. But these are national treasures.
These are ones you got to see in person, but don't drool on the glass.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'm stepping back right now.
Yeah.
Logan, thank you so much for sharing this with me and with everyone else. Great stuff here on Curator's Corner.